Number two is to make sure that the admins make Jira smaller and not bigger. Now, what do I mean by that? There's thousands of things in Jira that you could do, if not millions, right? You could add custom fields, you could add requirements on transitions, you could add conditional logic to workflows. There's so many things you could do in Jira that gives you kind of too much control in a way. And the problem is, once you start adding in all of these things, all of these fields, all of these requirements, all of this friction, Jira becomes an absolute pain to use, and your team doesn't want to use it anymore. The goal with what we're doing in Jira is to make it as simple, as easy, as frictionless as possible for our teams to actually adopt it. One kind of a saying that we have internally here at Grid.io is that you want to make following easier than bypassing. Make the intended solution easier to follow than the alternative approach to bypass. That's what you want to do. So a good response here is when you ask a question of like, how do you decide if you add a field, an automation, or a feature, which is always adding on things, right? It's making Jira bigger, not smaller. A good response is going to be they're optimizing for adoption and simplicity. So maybe the answer would be something like, hey, I would only add these things if they're absolutely necessary or if they're the only way, depending on what's needed to get the job done. If they immediately go to like conditional logic, required fields, conditions, validators, and workflows, those are the types of things you might want to see as a red flag, and especially if they don't mention anything about simplicity or keeping things streamlined and easy to use, because this is going to hurt adoption the most. And most of the time when there's Jira hate and people don't like using Jira, it's not because of Jira, it's because of the implementation that they actually used. Real quick, I know this looks like a lot, and if you'd rather just have me and my team help implement exactly what I'm showing you in this video, that is exactly what we do. We're currently opening up 4 more slots for our Jira strategy. We only run 4 of these per month. If you're interested, hit the first link in the description below.